Hi guys, this is Topper again. Have you ever been in Lithuania capital Vilnius before? Let's find out what are the top 3 reasons you should visit Vilnius during your holidays in Lithuania. Reason number 1. Gediminas Tower. Guys, everyone knows Sleeping Beauty's story. Princess, good fairies and a bad fairy which enchants princess so that she will one day prick her finger on a spindle of the spinning wheel and die. At the end of the story, everyone lived happily ever after. But did you know that the kissing part of the story happened in Gediminas Tower? You might want to go and check, maybe Sleeping Beauty is still here and waiting for you. Reason number 2. The bastion of the Vilnius city wall. This is the part of the Vilnius defense wall, or how I like to call it, Helm's Deep from the Lord of the Rings Two Towers movie. Great battles happened here a long time ago. Now you can enjoy a beautiful view of the old town from the bastion wall. Reason number 3. Television tower. Remember my last video about Kaunas city and the 9th fort? Or how we like to call the secret crash site of unidentified flying object? It looks like Lithuania cities are surrounded by UFOs. Here we have a television tower, which looks like a tower from movie Man in Black. During the Christmas time, the tower has been decorated to look like a Christmas tree. I mean, the ways of government trying to hide the truth from us is crazy. So now you have the 3 stunning reasons to visit Vilnius city in Lithuania. Check the link below and you will find out more about the interesting places you could visit in Vilnius during your holidays. Please feel free to subscribe now and learn about the other interesting places in Lithuania.